domestic animals. Sheep. This is a sheep. Sheep means bhed. Cat. This is a cat. Cat means billy. Dog. This is a dog. Dog means kutta. Goat. This is a goat. Goat means bakari. Rabbit. This is a rabbit. Rabbit means khargosh. Monkey. This is a monkey. Monkey means bandar. Buffalo. This is a buffalo. Buffalo means bhais. Cow. This is a cow. Cow means guy. Donkey. This is a donkey. Donkey means gadha. Yak. This is a yak. Yak means yak. Ox. This is a ox. Ox means bale. Camel. This is a camel. Camel means oot. Bear. This is a bear. Bear means bhalu. Ram. This is a ram. Ram means meda. Pig. This is a pig. Pig means suwar. Horse. This is a horse. Horse means ghoda. Once again. Sheep. Sheep means bhed. Cat. Cat means billy. Dog. Dog means kutta. Goat. Goat means bakari. Rabbit. Rabbit means khargosh. Donkey. Donkey means gadha. Cow. Cow means guy. Buffalo. Buffalo means bhais. Monkey. Monkey means bandar. Yak. Yak means yak. Ox. Ox means bale. Camel. Camel means oot. Ram. Ram means meda. Bear. Bear means bhalu. Pig. Pig means suwar. Horse. Horse means ghoda.